So I got a blower. And honestly, this is the laziest of doing a lazy car wash. I mean, hands down. Who's not lazy? Like, name one person that's not lazy. We all don't just wake up and we're consumed with so much energy. Ooh, okay. Big brain. I guess the neighbors don't like me here. Probably doesn't like my co-star. Ooh, co-star. God damn, baby. Okay. Whoa. I gotta get bumpy over here. Homeboy saw my GoPro. Yeah, we need to make my baby louder. I'ma go. Jesus Christ, man, this thing kicks. So we have the car wash. Start washing the car, so that way you get all that grime off the vehicle. Step 2, you switch it to free soak, so that way your car can start soaking into that soap. Jesus. And that way you can start cleaning all that grime and all that stickiness and all that dirt that you have has been accumulating over your vehicle over time. Jesus, bro. Step 3, what I do, I change it to soap, so that way it's gonna be a high pressure soap. That way all this sticky dirt can come off with the high pressure. You can go ahead and start rinsing it, and that'll be it. Now, fun part. Well, that didn't go as planned.